Good Tuesday morning, everyone, and we're wrapping up the month of March today. It's going to be a warm and breezy and increasingly active weather day with more changes ahead as we head into the midweek. Let's break it down for you. Not many changes in the forecast over the next few days, but I am watching one thing closely heading into tomorrow. It's going to be quite warm, but also very windy. Winds will be out of the southwest and could become strong and gusty at times. Because of that, you'll want to have a few precautions. If you drive a high-profile vehicle like a truck, a van, or SUV, be prepared for strong crosswinds, especially on open roads. And around the house, make sure to secure any loose outdoor items. Things like the trash can, patio furniture, or decorations could easily get blown around. For your Tuesday, we're starting off with a mix of sun and clouds and going in to turn a bit warmer in the afternoon. Looking at high temperatures to climb around 79 degrees. It will be breezy to windy from the southwest at 13 to 21 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to the high as 39 miles per hour. The wind is going to be noticeable today. Now, most of the day stays dry, but after about 3 p.m., there is a slight chance of a few showers or maybe a thunderstorm. Coverage stays limited with only a 20% chance, but something to keep an eye on. I'm also keeping an eye on a low-end severe weather threat heading into tomorrow evening and overnight. We're currently under a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk, mainly in the area north of I-70. For now, confidence in the severe weather is on the lower side anyway. Storms are expected to develop well to our north, and as they move south towards our area, they should gradually weaken. But we can't completely rule out a stronger storm making it far enough south. If that happens, the main threat would be damaging wind gusts and possibly some large hail. The timing for this, the window to watch will be tomorrow evening into overnight hours. So overall, this is not a high-end severe setup, but it's something I will continue to monitor closely. Make sure you have a way to receive alerts, especially overnight. Now, as we head into Tuesday night, rain chances begin to increase. We'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the night, with on and off activity continuing into early Wednesday morning. Low temperatures drop to around 56 degrees. Winds remain out of the southwest, gusting up to 31 miles per hour. And rainfall generally light, but a few thunderstorms could produce brief heavier downpours. Now, looking at Wednesday is shaping up to be the wettest day of the week. We're looking at showers and possibly thunderstorms throughout the day, with rain chances up to 90%. High temperatures cool back to around 67 degrees. And the winds shift from the southwest to the northwest as the system moves through. So plan on a rainy, unsettled day if you have to head out. Showers continue into Wednesday night with a chance of thunderstorms lingering in the forecast. Mostly cloudy with a low around 54 degrees and rain chances still around 60%. Thursday is still active. We're not done yet. Thursday begins another chance of showers with thunderstorms possibly after 2 p.m. Partly sunny skies return at times with a high near 78 degrees and rain chances around 40%. And Thursday night rain chances increase again. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early, then showers likely after 2 a.m. We're looking at a low around 62 degrees with a 70% chance of rain. So here's the takeaway. Warm and windy to finish March today. Storm chances increase tonight, and a wet straight settle into Wednesday and beyond. I'll be tracking it as close as I can. I do this to keep you ahead of the weather. So if you haven't already, follow, subscribe, and share the forecast. And remember, don't rely on just one source to stay weather aware. That's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Have a great Tuesday.